Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer and Internet. Nowadays I will show you how to solve typing wrong character. As example, when you try to type 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C, there was show wrong character. Like you type 2, there will be show at the rate, and you will type 3 or 4, there will be show hash or other thing. Like example, I will show you. You're typing 2, there will be show this. You try 3, there will be show this. You try 4, there will be show like this. It's most effective problem in this problem. So let's see how to solve this problem. First, need to go computer control plan. From there, my operating system Windows 10. The control panel. There see the view Y small icon, this category. Normally you will see in your computer category 1. I like to change the small icon and need to go the language sector. Language. And you see your system is United States, your keyboard style is United States, but this language is United Kingdom. That's why they show the long character. Now need to change this language. At first we need to go the add a language. Need to search English. There. E category. Open. You select the English United States. There are many things in English: Australia, Brazil, Canada. I will select the United States. Select, then add. This United States down, you need to move up. You select the United States, then click move up. Then you select United Kingdom, then remove. Say finish. Now we see 2, 3, 4. It's okay normally. So you have any comment, please inform me by YouTube comment. I always try to show my experience with my friend because I love the friend communication. So friends, subscribe my channel and like, comment. I will upload my experience day by day. And sorry for my poor English. Thank you for watching my video. Best of luck.